What's he gonna do with these? He's blowing it up! The orange one, too!
Okay.
What? He made a car out of balloons! He took bonbons! Not again! Will Bonbon notice?
Okay.
There's your money, Bonbon.
Okay.
Put it in your bag.
Okay.
Ready to go.
What's this? Oh no.
Bonbon noticed.